So right now I'm in my truck in Punta Gorda, and we're about to drive back up to the Orlando airport, and then we're going to Memphis, Tennessee to go grab a 2014 GSXR 600, which I'm supposed to be getting for $2,300. If I could be $3,300 into this GSXR 600 2014, easy 3 racks I'm gonna make on this thing. So I'm hoping for the best here. I'm waiting on JP right now. He should be pulling up any minute. This bike allegedly has 16,000 miles on it. It got put up on this Facebook marketplace. The guy FaceTimed me, showed me he got the title and everything in hand. So the odds of me getting screwed over on this deal, pretty low. Our trip is officially beginning at 3:25. This is JP, he's gonna be our cameraman for the day.
How's it going, guys?
For the trip. Yeah, there's no clue what we're about to get into. And hopefully we make this flight because we're gonna get there like just in time. But I'm pretty sure Spirit's gonna be behind a little bit. We'll see you in 2 hours. Huh? Hey, thanks, bro. Peace out. Show him the pants. No, not here. Not here. What are you going for here, bro? It's so cold, JP. Holy shit. Yo, you look golden though, bro. This is peak going to get a motorcycle, dude. We're not even doing it for the motorcycles anymore, dude. We're just doing it for the memories. The rear sprocket I'm trying to run on the back of this bike, bro, so I can get some more top speed out of it. Dude, we got this upgrade. We're in the Tacoma, dude. What up? Hey.
Yo, we outside tonight.
Yo, I thought you meant you were gonna be in a truck, bro, not a truck. Shit.
I'm in my truck. How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
I'm alright, I'm alright.
What up, bro?
Let's go to this bike.
Am I following you in this?
Yeah.
You able to get this down the streets? But we're following, dude. This is great, dude. No way. He's fucking dude. This thing's slow. He's fucking zooming in this truck.
In an 18-wheeler with a flatbed on it, dude.
Going there. Where's I hold it?
Well, let's hope he doesn't blow it up because the thing's big outside. Huh?
Oh, they go.
No, that's to
Oh wait.
Woo! You work for a local company?
Nah, I'm an owner operator.
Oh yeah?
That's your rig?
What's up?
Yeah, we gotta talk business.
All right.
3.
Here's the unit. It's a little bit rougher. I mean, right here's the unit. It's a little bit rougher shape than I was hoping it would be, but you know, dude, we'll have this thing. I'll have all the parts ordered for this thing before we even leave Tennessee.
It's not called built from the bottom for no reason, boys.
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, action. Yeah. Here you go.
Follow you.
Alright, my brother gonna ride with y'all.
Bet.
More weight.
I got you, Nick.
We started at 3:35 is when you got inside the vehicle.
1046.
10:46. So we just got some ratchet straps from the Walmart, and we're about to just shoot it right back home. And we should get to the Orlando airport, get this in the truck by 10 a.m. You know, you'll get a little Z's tonight, and whenever you wake up, we'll swap it around or whatever.
That works.
Peace. We're in Tallahassee right now. We're about to go hit the club. Pretty tired? JP just drove another 2 hours. It's what we left at 3:35. We really haven't slept since, and it's like 8 in the morning right now. And it'll probably be 3:35 by the time we get back in the afternoon. So this is a fun trip, dude. Me and JP just did a switcheroo in the parking lot. Bike's there, I'm gonna strap it down. It's the next day, I'm back in Florida. I went right to sleep once we got back. It's like 4:45, 5 o'clock. So it was a long day of driving. Now I just woke up this morning, hit the gym, and now the bike's here in the back of my truck. Getting right to it. So this tank has a little bit of damage right here, but I'm gonna make this bike blue. So I'm gonna pop this tank off. I got a little Allen tool right here. I worked a little bit on it without talking about what's going on with it. Even though this bike looks really rough, or looked really rough when I bought it, it's really not that bad of a bike. I started putting on some of the fairings. We're going double whammy back to back with this blue on the GSXR because this is the best color you can make these bikes, and this color scheme just looks sick. So I already got the tank painted, got that thing back. I have to get this cap off somehow because the key's broken off in it, and I have a new cap right here. I got a new stator cover. I got mirrors for it, new upper triple because this upper triple has scratches on it right here. I also came around here to the rear. I put on the new plastics already. We saved these OEM turn signals and brake light. Tank's good to go. Now the next thing to do is put the levers on it, replace this upper triple. And what I did was I just undid 2 bolts for this radiator to pull it back a little bit so I could access these plugs for this right hand or left hand control. So we're gonna swap that out because I have a new one right here. I got the front end assembly already put together. I had to buy air rams for this because there's no air rams. This is the headlight assembly that he gave us. It's the OEM one, so I try to keep as much OEM as possible, you guys. That looks just like the one I got. It's gone. This is